Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Kaksha. In this video we are going to discuss about the first chapter of class 6 NCERT book Science. Food, where does it come from? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So first of all we'll discuss about the ingredients. What are ingredients? So food are made up of various kinds of elements or items. Okay, we combined various items to form different kind of foods. Like we love to drink tea. Okay, so tea is basically, so tea, how we make tea, we boil water, we add some tea leaves in that, we add sugar and we add milk and boil it, then we get tea. So these four items are ingredients of tea. ओके आप बोल सकते हैं कोई भी डिश जिन एलिमेंट से, जिन आइटम से मिलकर बनी होती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं, उन आइटम्स को बोला जाता है इंग्रेडिएंट्स. लाइक वेजिटेबल करी अगर आप खाते हैं तो उसमें आपको वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं, सॉल्ट होती हैं, स्पाइसेस होते हैं, है ना, और कई सारी चीज़ें उसमें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं, वाटर एंड ऑल. सो इस तरह से कई सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिक्स करके, इसी तरह जो राइस आप खाते हैं, तो राइस आप कंज्यूम करते हैं तो राइस में क्या होता है, रॉ राइस होता है. ओके, ग्रेन जो होता है राइस ग्रेन, और उसमें हम वाटर ऐड करके उसको बॉयल करते हैं तो हमें राइस मिल जाता है. ओके, सो हेयर यू हैव टू लिस्ट सम फूड आइटम्स. Okay, you have to ask your friends and list some food items here in activity 1. Here you can see some kinds of food. Fish. Okay, some people like to eat fish. Okay, curry, dal, idli, sambar. Okay, so these are some kinds of foods. Food items are roti, chapati. So ingredients of these items are, roti is made up of आटा and water. Okay, इनको combine करके और फिर हम उसको bake करते हैं. दाल, pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. So when we combine all of these things and we cook them, then we get dal. Okay, now we'll discuss what do we find. Do we find some ingredient common in different food items? So yes, we always find some. There are some common ingredients like water. Okay, we use water as ingredients in many foods. We use salt. So sugar, these are some essential ingredients that are common in various kinds of dishes. And raw vegetables, okay, potato, tomato. So ये सारे क्या हैं, कुछ कॉमन हैं. हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स कुक करते हैं तो हम वेजिटेबल्स का यूज़ करते हैं, स्पाइसेस का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो येस वी हैव सम कॉमन इंग्रेडिएंट्स अमंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड आइटम्स. ओके, और इंग्रेडिएंट्स ये आते कहाँ से हैं? वेयर डू वी गेट दीज इंग्रेडिएंट्स? सो वी गेट दीज इंग्रेडिएंट्स फ्रॉम बेसिकली टू पार्ट्स. ओके, मेन टू पार्ट्स आर देयर. लाइक फ्रूट्स जो हमें प्लांट से मिलते हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं? प्लांट से कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिलते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स हैं, है ना, रॉ वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स. ओके, सम स्पाइसेस ऑल्सो वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. गॉट इट? एंड देयर आर सम अदर फूड आइटम्स और इंग्रेडिएंट्स विच वी गेट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. What kind of these items? Like milk. Okay, milk, meat, eggs. So these kind of ingredients or food item we get from animals. Okay, so we have mainly two types of sources of food. Let us take food item listed earlier and try out where they come from, the ingredients and the sources. Some examples are shown in the table. So here you can see we get grains, है ना, we grow crops, so from there we get grains of wheat and rice. Okay, so these are food items for us. Here you can see sources of food grains. Okay, here in picture 1 you can see the paddy fields. Okay, animal sources like hen, so you get eggs. Okay, these are some plant sources, fruits and dal and all. Here you can see ingredients of some food items like idli. In idli we use rice, urad dal, salt, water. These are ingredients. And where we get these ingredients? So we get rice from plant, we get urad dal from plant, salt also we get from plant. You can say salt we get from mountains. Some rock salts are there, na, rock salt. Or we get salt from sea also, na, sea water. And water is also water we get from rivers. Okay, wells, etc. Chicken curry. Chicken we get from animals. Spices we get from various plants. Ghee we get from plant animals. Okay. Water we get from various water sources. Okay. In kheer we use milk, rice and sugar. So milk we get from animals, rice we get from plants, and sugar we get from plants. Okay, sugar cane. So what do we conclude from these activities? Plants are sources of food ingredients, okay, like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. All these things we get from plants. And animal provide us with milk, meat, products and eggs. All these things are provided by animals. Cow, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd. Okay, these items are used all over the world. इन सब का हम यूज़ करते हैं. Can you name some animals which gave us milk? So you should think about it. I can give you an example like camel. We get milk from camel as well. Plant part and animal product as food. हम अलग अलग तरह के प्लांट के जो पार्ट्स होते हैं उनका भी यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे हम लीव्स का यूज़ करते हैं लाइक स्पिनच जो पालक आप खाते हैं वो लीव्स से मिलती है. फ्रूट्स का यूज़ करते हैं ना, मैंगो, एप्पल, ऑल दीज आर फ्रूट्स आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट. इन सम केसेस सम प्लांट्स वी ईट रूट्स like beetroot, okay, and carrot, radish is basically example of roots. So roots, stems, in some plant we eat stems like potato is a stem, okay. Onion is also a stem. So we get food from all parts of plant, you can say. So we use different part of plants as food. Like as you can see, the topmost part, this is flower. Here you have fruits. Now stem is the middle part of the plant. Leaves are also there, okay. So the combination of all these flowers, fruits, stem, okay, you can see all these are called shoot system. Flowers, fruit, stem, लीव्स एंड बड, नोड, इंटरनोड, ये सभी क्या कहलाते हैं? ये शूट सिस्टम का पार्ट है, ओके. एंड वी हैव रूट सिस्टम ऑल्सो. हियर रूट सिस्टम. सो देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ रूट, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी रूट्स. प्राइमरी रूट इज दिस वन, द मेन रूट इज द प्राइमरी रूट. दिस इज द प्राइमरी रूट, ओके. एंड अनदर रूट you have these roots. So these roots are called secondary roots. Here you have parts. Node is basically from where a new leaf will grow, basically from that part of stem from where a new leaf will grow, okay. Bud is also there, from bud a new flower will grow. Now we can see some parts have two or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plant give us oil and leaves are used as vegetable, okay. So mustard plant की जो सीड होते हैं उनको हम ऑयल की तरह यूज़ करते हैं, उनसे ऑयल निकालते हैं, और जो उसकी लीव्स होती हैं उनको हम वेजिटेबल की तरह यूज़ करते हैं, okay. So there are various kind of plants in which various parts like leaves, roots, stems, okay, all of them are used as food. So there is other banana plant is also there. So can you think of different parts of banana plant and that are used as food, okay. So banana का जो fruit होता है वो यूज़ होता है, ठीक है. banana leaves का भी यूज़ करते हैं लोग. banana leaves का यूज़ होता है साउथ में एज अ प्लेट वगैरह फूड रखने के लिए, फूड कंज्यूम करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, है ना. सो बनाना लीव्स का भी यूज़ किया जाता है फूड प्रिपेयर करने में, ओके, टू रैप समथिंग एंड देन फ्राई इट. सो बनाना लीव्स आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड. देन थिंक ऑफ मोर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टू और मोर पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट और सिंगल प्लांट यूज्ड एज फूड. सो देर आर वेरियस प्लांट्स, ओके, जहाँ पर हम जिनका फ्रूट्स का भी यूज़ करते हैं और उनकी लीव्स का भी यूज़ करते हैं फ्रूट के तौर पे, ठीक ठीक है. But we should be careful because all parts are not eatable. Some parts are eatable, but some flowers or plants are poisonous also. So we should be careful. We cannot eat all plants and any part of plant. Some plants are poisonous. So without knowing proper detail, you should not eat any part of plant. Okay. Now we'll discuss about sprouts. What are sprouts? So sprouts are basically when you soak some grains like pulses. Okay, so when you soak them pulses like chana in water for some time over a night, so after some time when you soak them in water, so you will see after 24 hours, 1 or 2 days, a small white thread like structure will appear from them. Okay, and they are called that white structure जो grow होगा उसके बाद उनको हम बोलते हैं sprouts. Okay, so sprouts कैसे बनेंगे? So उन्हीं को हम क्या करते हैं, पहले जैसे चना ग्राम इनको ले लेते हैं. चना को हमने ले लिया. ओके, इसको हम वाटर में सोक कर देंगे और देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल टेक इट आउट. उसको ले लेंगे और फिर उसको क्लॉथ में बांध कर, वेट क्लॉथ में बांध कर रख देते हैं. और आप नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू सी इट यू विल find they have converted into sprouts. Okay, and you can add some spices like salt, and you can cut some vegetables and mix with it. So okay, so you can eat it as a snack and it is very healthy for your body. So every morning you should eat it. Okay, it will improve your digestion, it will give you strength, you will get various nutrients, protein and all from these sprouts. And now we will discuss about where do we get honey. Okay, so we get honey from beehives. Okay, so bees collect honey for their use. Okay, it is food for them. So they collect nectar from various flowers. There is what is nectar. Nectar is a liquid basically, and a liquid that is converted into honey by bees. So what bees do, they move from one flower to another flower and they collect that nectar and they collect it in their hives. Okay, and convert that nectar is converted into honey. So वो nectar honey में convert हो जाता है और उसी उनके जो food को जब हम ले लेते हैं bee hive से collect कर लेते हैं, so that is called honey. Now we'll see what do animals eat. So you have some animals like cat, dogs, है ना? So these are some cattle animals or pet animals basically you can say. So a dog, cat, buffalo or goat, so you must have heard about them, what they eat. Okay, so what kind of food basically these animals? Squirrel eat nuts. Okay, so different animals also eat different kind of food. So we will discuss what kind of food different kind of animal eat. Like you can see, pigeon, lizard, small insects. So all of them will eat different kind of foods. Like buffalo eat grass. Okay, oil cake, hay, grains, etc. Cat, small animals, birds, milk, all these things. So like you can find out all food basically eaten by other animals. So the different kind of food different animals eat, we classify them in different categories. So we have 3 categories main. 3 categories: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. 3 kind of categories are there in which these animals are divided. Number 1 is herbivorous. Herbivorous animals are those who eat only plant of basically plant. Okay, grass, like cow eat grass, buffalo eat grass. So these are called herbivorous or herbivorous animals. ठीक है. Now we have carnivores or carnivorous animals. So carnivores are basically those who eat other animals like lion, tiger. Okay, so these kind of animals eat other animals as their food, so they are called carnivores. Okay, now we have some animals though who eat basically plant also, plant parts, and animals also. So they are called omnivores. So some animals are also there who eat vegetable, or you can say plant part also, and animals also, like humans. Humans eat vegetables also, and human eat other animals like fish and various other animals also. Okay, meat and all. So we have two categories, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Okay, so we fall under the category of omnivores. So now we have ended this chapter. I hope you have understood, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in comments. You can see here we have discussed all keywords, ingredients. Edibles are basically those things which we can eat. Okay, ingredients I have already discussed. Ingredients are items that are used to make food. Now nectar is basically sweet juices, basically bees get from flowers. Okay, then we get from bees as honey. So nectar is sweet juice, okay, in flowers. Sprouted seeds are seeds having white structure, white thread like structure. Okay, those seeds in which white thread like structure is grown after soaking them in water for some time. तो जब हम थोड़ी देर के लिए जो सीड्स हैं उनको हम क्या करते हैं, सोक करके रख देते हैं. ग्रेन्स जैसे होते हैं या सीड्स हैं, उनको सोक करके रख देते हैं, तो वहाँ से क्या निकल आते हैं, उनमें थोड़े छोटे छोटे वाइट कलर के रेशे निकल आते हैं. और इन्हीं रेशों के बाद ये जो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म हो जाता है उनको हम बोलते हैं स्प्राउट्स. हर्बीवोर्स बता द एनिमल दैट ईट प्लांट ओनली. कार्निवोर्स एनिमल दोज एनिमल्स हु ईट other animals. Okay, and omnivores are animals that eat plant as well as and other animals also. So these are some important keywords from this chapter. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share Digital Kaksha. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you.